The Roswell Fire Department has a new tool to teach the public about fire safety. It's an inflatable safety house. While walking inside, visitors can read about fire safety, each room offering some different tips and suggestions for what to do in your own home in those rooms. The department plans to take the safety house to schools and other venues where children go for presentations. The safety house was donated by Roswell's Church on the Move along with $10,000.